Amit Shah, of course, campaigned in Raebareli. He held an important public meet there as well. But interesting optics as Amit Shah met Manoj Pandey, who is a former chief whip of the Samajwadi Party. Remember, there were all these rumors of, Manoj Pandey getting a ticket from Raebareli from the BJP. That, of course, didn't happen with Dinesh Pratap Singh getting the ticket. But, of course, important because he cross-voted in the Rajya Sabha elections as well. My colleague Tanish Punjabi has more details.
Several 3 to 4 Samajwadi Party MLAs cross-voted in the favor of BJP candidates. Now, Manoj Pandey was one of them. He, before the voting began, he resigned as the chief whip of the Samajwadi Party, and of course there was a war of words between Samajwadi Party chief and Manoj Pandey also, both passing comments on each other. But after that, Manoj Pandey did not officially resign as in Samajwadi Party MLA. So he is very much a part of the Samajwadi Party, and the Samajwadi Party has also not kicked him out. So he's very much in the Samajwadi Party, but he was in constant touch of the BJP. It was expected because he is an MLA from Unchahar, and Unchahar is a Vidhan Sabha under in the Raebareli Lok Sabha. So it was expected that Manoj Pandey could be given the ticket, but it was Dinesh Pratap Singh who was given the ticket. So of course this could be seen as a poll management by the BJP. But today Home Minister Amit Shah also was also in Raebareli before he met Manoj Pandey. He of course he held a public meeting and of course hit out at the Gandhis and especially Rahul Gandhi. As soon as he began his speech, he said that if BJP wins in Raebareli, they will make sure that Raebareli becomes the #1 district of Uttar Pradesh. It is a poll, it is a prestige battle. Amit Shah has turned it into a prestige battle. He has said that if Raebareli wins, if BJP wins from Raebareli, he will make sure it becomes #1 district in UP, and also said that if BJP wins Raebareli, it automatically means that BJP has won 400 seats. They have achieved the target of 400 par, and Raebareli is also the only Lok Sabha seat that Congress managed to win in 2019. So in Uttar Pradesh. So of course it is sort of turning into a prestige battle between the BJP and Congress. Rahul Gandhi himself in the poll battle from Raebareli, but not from Amethi. From Amethi it is KL Sharma, of course.